Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add music to your Facebook profile using the mobile app. Begin. Step 1. Launch the Facebook application. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap your profile icon, usually your profile picture, to view your profile. Step 3. Go to Music. Scroll down your profile page until you find the Music tab. Tap it to access music settings. Step 4. Add songs to your profile. On the music screen, tap the plus icon. Use the search bar to find your favorite songs by artist, album or song name. Tap the three dots next to the song you want to include in your profile. Step 5. Visibility and privacy. Once you add music, it will automatically be made public. Anyone who can view your profile will see the songs you added by tapping music on your profile. Finally, I wish you a relaxing space on Facebook. Thanks for watching the video.